Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Kini apa mat? Kini apa mat? Kau bereaction jom kini ngilam balang kristan lit sisa ada ijeli. Kina perkhal bekibriu jungi kita biit sisa. Overreaction. Ada ijeli sisa. Ada ijeli ani kita ngai ili tu wei pastor kamu laya lap adu ata hadin utong nang tona stage sharp ti sepo Khap kataru lehraiñ itu Nongtranslate. He nak terkadang orang fi overreaction. Kini apa mat?
Balay me penstamben nga.
Why are you persecuting me?
Mali way kanat.
Who are you, Lord?
Nga dayo Jesus.
The word says, I am Jesus.
Overreaction.
Pabre pa.
Jesus.
Jesus? And that is how Saul must have fell from the horse. They all got scared, but it's okay. He's not hurt. You know, our pastor is a very good actor. Let us clap for our pastor. And this is what had happened. Now imagine Saul had fallen like that. He did not die. Praise the Lord. But Saul came out blinded, but pastor did not come out like that. He came out of there blinded.